Okay, so I started recording it and it went so close to my stop loss not too long ago. But I'm still in the trade. I'm really confident in this trade because I stuck to my plan and I only trade one strategy. I could have done a few things better in terms of my stop loss. I think I should have given the trade a bit more room to breathe. I almost got stopped out, but luckily I'm still in the trade. I think my entry is really good. I stuck to my trading plan and I executed the trade based on my strategy and what I was looking for, the patterns and stuff like that. So I think this trade should play out in my favor. So now we just have to wait and see. That last candle close was really good. It closed close to the low of the candle, and that's a good sign of bearish momentum and a strong bearish pressure in the market right now. I have the simplest trading strategy that you might ever come across, and it is really profitable. If you're interested in learning the strategy, just comment the word strategy, and I'll either make a video or reach out to you explaining how I execute my trades and to be profitable in the market over time. So just comment the word strategy and subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this almost every day, so you guys can basically see all the trades I take on a day-to-day basis and see how simple I execute these trades to get some profits. So subscribe to the channel. Also comment the word strategy and I explain to you more how I catch these trades. That last candle close had a lot of bearish pressure, and it's a good sign that this trade might hit TP. So we just have to wait and see. I'm gonna go break even from my phone because it's a lot easier to do. And now I'm a lot more confident to let this trade play out since I'm at break even. There's nothing to lose right now. Okay, we're getting closer to TP and I'm predicting that it will hit. But if I sense any sort of rejection from the area or anything like that, I might be closing the trade early. I already broke even to lock in some profits. That's exactly what I'm talking about. That rejection right there. That's exactly what I'm talking about. We just have to see what the trade is gonna do. This is a wicked rejection though. I think I might be closing early. As soon as the trade gets back closer to where that last week is coming from, I think I'm gonna be closing. I just wanted to get back down to that area. Then I can close the trade in some profits. Or if I see it turning back anywhere from now, I'll be closing. Better to lock in some profits than to get nothing at all. But I still think it has the potential of hitting TP. Seeing this flip red and closing, oh, this doesn't look good. I might be closing. I should be closing. I don't know what's taking so long or what's holding me from closing. Okay, that's a good sign. The market is heading back down in that direction. But any sort of rejection and I'm out. Any sort of rejection and I'm out. Let's just see if this candle closes. Alright, I'm out. Guys, it was a decent trade. Can't complain. I locked in some profits, almost $100. And if you guys are interested in me explaining my strategy, just comment the word strategy.